Good morning, dear students. Welcome to online classes. Today, let us discuss about simplest form. Right, in the simplest form. So already find out some problems in first main. So today I am going to in second main, simplest form. So that is the first problem is, according to that first problem is tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x. Tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x. So put x is equal to ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನು ತಗೋತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ tan theta ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. put x is equal to tan theta. Then theta is equal to tan inverse x. Theta is equal to tan inverse x. Then tan inverse into root of 1 plus x is equal to what? Tan theta. Tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 divided by x is equal to tan theta. X is equal to what? Tan theta. So next, tan inverse of root of 1 plus tan square theta can be written as secant square theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Aita? So next, tan inverse of root secant square theta. Secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta can be written as sin theta divided by cos theta ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay, next, tan inverse of secant theta ನ ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? 1 by cos theta ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ 1 by cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta divided by cos theta. So next, tan inverse of yes, here LCM ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. LCM is what? 1 by cos theta minus 1 LCM is what? Cos theta LCM. Cos theta cancel 1. Cos theta into 1, cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. Whole divided by sin theta divided by cos theta. So next, here cos theta cancel. Cos theta cancel ಆಯಿತು. Next, tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ನಾವು? 2 sin square theta by 2. ಯಾವುದು? ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by sin theta. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರ್ದೇ ಬಿಡ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Sin theta. So next, look here. Tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta formula ಏನು? 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta, 2 sin square theta by 2. Sin theta formula 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So 2 cancel. So 1 sin cancel. Tan inverse of, so ಏನು ಬಂತು? sin theta by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿತು sin theta divided by 2 cos theta by 2. So therefore tan inverse of sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta by 2. So this is in the form of a tan inverse of tan theta. Theta. What is the value of theta? Theta means theta by 2. ಓಕೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೊತೀನಿ 1/2 into theta. What is the value of theta? Theta is equal to what? Tan inverse x. Therefore this is the result, tan inverse x. Otherwise tan inverse x divided by 2. This is the result. Okay na? ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x. Put x is equal to tan theta, then theta is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ tan ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ tan inverse x. ಈ tan ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ in the place of x ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಯು ನೋ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Next is same as it is root secant square theta minus 1 tan theta sin theta by cos theta. Next secant theta formula 1 by cos theta minus 1 sin theta by cos theta. Next simplify this. LCM is cos theta cancel 1 into 1 minus cos theta into 1 cos theta. Okay, next this cos theta cancel 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Next 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. Sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Tan inverse of sin theta by 2, so cos theta by 2. Tan inverse of sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 tan theta by 2. This is in the form of a tan inverse of tan theta. Tan inverse of tan theta theta by 2. 1 by 2 theta is equal to what? Tan inverse x. Therefore tan inverse x by 2. Okay, this is the formula. Sorry, answer written. Okay, next problem. Dear students, so next problem number 2. Find the simplest form tan inverse of 1 divided by square root of x square minus 1. Okay, yes, 1 divided by root x minus 1. Okay, dear student, here put x is equal to cosecant theta. ಏನು ತಗೋತೀರಾ? cosecant theta ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Then theta is equal to ಏನು cosecant inverse x. theta ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ cosecant inverse x. ಈಗ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. tan inverse of 1 divided by root of x. x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? cosecant theta. ಅಂದ್ರೆ cosecant square theta minus 1. cosecant square theta minus 1. Then tan inverse, okay, ಇದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ x is equal to cosecant theta, theta is equal to cosecant inverse x. x square cosecant square theta minus 1. 1 divided by square root of cosecant square theta minus 1 formula cot square theta. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ cot square theta. Tan inverse of 1 divided by root of cot square theta. So then tan inverse of 1 divided by root cot square theta. Root cot square theta cot theta. Then tan inverse of 1 by cot theta. 1 by cot theta formula tan theta. Tan inverse of tan theta theta. So therefore tan inverse of tan theta theta. Then theta is equal to what? Cosecant inverse x. Cosecant inverse x. This is result. So therefore tan inverse of 1 divided by root of x square minus 1 is cosecant inverse x. Okay, dear students, you see tan inverse of 1 divided by root x square minus 1, put x is equal to cosecant theta, then theta is equal to cosecant inverse x, tan inverse of 1 divided by square root of x under cosecant square theta minus 1, tan inverse of 1 divided by cosecant square theta minus 1, cot square theta, root cot square theta, next tan inverse of 1 by cot theta, tan inverse of 1 by cot theta, tan theta, tan inverse of tan theta, theta. Theta means theta is equal to what? Cosecant inverse x. Okay na? Write down this. Okay, so next problem number 3. Tan inverse of 1 minus x. So next to problem number 3, that is tan inverse of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. Tan inverse of square root of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. One minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. So dear students, here tan inverse of root of 1 minus cos x. 1 minus cos x ಏನು formula 2 sin square x by 2. 2 sin square x by 2 divided by 1 plus cos x. 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2. Tan inverse of, so square root of 2 cancel, square root of sin by cos, tan square x by 2. Tan inverse of tan square x by 2. So next tan inverse of root 2 tan square x by 2, tan x by 2. Tan x by 2. So this is in the form of a tan inverse of tan theta. Tan inverse of tan theta, theta. Theta means x by 2 result. Okay na? ನೋಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Tan inverse of root of 1 minus x, 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. Tan inverse of, here 2 cancel, sin theta by cos theta, tan square x by 2. Tan inverse of root tan square x by 2, tan x by 2. This is in the form of a tan inverse of tan theta. Tan inverse of tan theta, theta. Theta means x by 2. Okay? Write down this. Okay, so dear students, so next ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಅದೇನು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ?